Hi everyone, welcome back to UG Solutions. So in today's video, I will just show you how to add e-signatures in Microsoft Word. So for this one, you should have a blank white paper and a pen. So what you have to do, you just have to add your signatures, or you just have to sign in the document, okay? I just added a signature in this, okay? And what I will do, I will just take a picture of this document, and then I will just move my picture from my mobile phone to computer. So next I will just show you from the computer. Just move this picture of signature from my mobile phone to MacBook with AirDrop. You can use any method, it's fine. So in this one, the first step I will just remove the background of this photo, okay, this signature, because I have to just insert the signature. So there are multiple ways to remove the background. The first one is quick actions. Go here in quick actions and then remove background, but in this case sometimes the additional lines or some dots will be removed also. So here you can see it's different from the original one now. So I will not use this photo. I will just use this site, remove.bg upload. I will just upload image, okay. Then the background, only the background will be removed from the picture. So it's removed. I will download it. It's a free site to remove the background. We'll save. Once saved, I will just go in the Microsoft Word, and here I will add my signatures. Hi, this document is for my signature. And just add name and signature, okay. So here I will add signature. What I will do, I will go in insert pictures, picture from file. This one is the first which I downloaded, okay, this one. So I will just wrap text behind or in front. You can use any. I will just put it in front of text, okay. So here you can adjust it if you want, like this is up to you. I will just leave it like this, okay. This. So here you go, you can see we just sign a paper, make a picture, then move that picture to my computer, then remove the background, and then in the last I just added that signatures and the Word documents. That's it. So I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with friends.